Good morning, traders. Looking for divergence traders. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but if you can kind of remember the price and how it moved yesterday, it did all those traps on the way down. Remember? I was talking about that. And then it did some really nice freaking moves, up 50, down 100, then back up 80, la-di-da, that kind of stuff. Look at today, man. Look at today. It's just crappy. Okay, so the open was right over here. And we had higher highs or a double top. But on the Osma, there's no divergence because the right side of it needs to be less than the left side. See? So there's no divergence there. The only thing you could have traded was a cross down. If you believed in it, if you had enough faith and belief that it's going to go down because the 5 crossed down below the 7. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. I wasn't here at 9:30 or whatever. I just woke up at like 9:35, so I don't know what happened there, but I slept in. Okay, so then we came down here, and by the way, I changed it to the 1 minute. Because again, I could tell by the way it's moving, it's not going anywhere fast. Look at over here right now. It's in this little block of consolidation, as they call it. Just not doing nothing. And look at how slow it's moving. Tick, tock, tick, tock. See what I mean? Yeah, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. So anyway, if you did this trade, let me show you. Well, I don't know if you guys would be trading the 1 minute, but I went to the 1 minute because I had a funny feeling they're not going to move this market. It's going to move very, very slow. And that's what it's doing. Other than this quick move down, then it went right back up again. So anyway, there was divergence, okay? This is the 1 minute time frame because the market's not moving. So if you can't find a trade on the 2 minute, you need to, step it down to the 1 minute or a tick chart or whatever you like to, trade. Oh, now it's moving. Look. I was in this trade right here. Okay, I'm about to show you. So anyway, there was a double top here, and yes, it went down, and yes, it was good. It was goody two shoes right here. So it went down. It was good. Now, as you can see, I drew my little double bottom line here. It's not perfect. I tweaked it a little bit. Tweak. Okay. Oh, look, it went up. Now it's coming right back down again. So anyway, I did not get in right here. I got in. I can't even remember. I got in here somewhere. Oh, it was right. It was over here. Because I said, oh, damn, well, I missed that, but it's not a true, genuine double bottom. I tweaked it, as you can see right here. It's it's not the best, It's not the one you go home and see Ma about or write to Ma and say, is this good, Mom? You know what I mean? It's not that good. So anyway, then the price went up and went over here, and I went, oh, look what we have here. We have a hookup. And did it work? Oh, you betcha. We had a hookup. Right there. Right here, you would have bought it, and up it went. Yeah, how much did it go up? Let's see. You would have bought somewhere in here. Okay, there's 84 to that level. And up to the top here, it's 145. So anyway, I was basically long at 2,100. 21,100. Sorry about that. So anyway, I could see, okay, once it went right up to here, I could see, okay, it's stalling off of this level of these two candles over here. It's not wanting to go any further. So I jumped out right there and made about 20, 25 ticks or something like that. And then I was right. It pulled back and then it just moved. And now, see, we're starting to move now. Can you see? You see, look at these 3 or 4 candles. Well, 3 out of the 4. See them? See, they're moving. They're moving a bit better than over here and over here. You know, so I see it's going to want to go up to this 150 level, and then the next stop would be the main pivot point of the day right here. Anyway, I just want to show you some trades I did last night. Let me get over there if I can. See, have you ever noticed you go back on the chart and it's all squished together and nothing looks right, and yeah, it's their fucking chart structure and how they have it designed. Anyway, I did a trade in here and it ran up good and I took it. Or was it over here I took it? It may have been over here. I can't tell now because the fucking chart looks different. Fuck sakes. Anyway, there were some good trades and oh, here it is. I found it. So right here was the same kind of double bottom we just experienced where I tweaked it. So anyway, once this came in and did its little double bottom here, I go, okay, from right here, what could I see? I could see the 21,150 level and the main pivot of the day right there. So those were my 2 targets. So I got long in here and took it somewhere up here and I got out. And then we had a little pullback and there was oh yeah. It was right here. We had the dip. Excuse me. And we had hidden divergence. Over here, let me just put the line on the bottom. It was double bottom divergence to buy it in here and it went up. I was in that trade. And then we had hidden divergence. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Okay. And this one just came down like this. There's the hidden divergence, and we would have got, and I got long on this one also. And I knew this was the target. I knew that this 150 level was our target right here. And it went there. And then it went right up to the pivot. And then it came down again, went higher. But I stopped trading over here. I did this buy here, up it went. I did another buy in here, and I got out at the 50. Or the 150 or whatever the fuck it is. And that's what happened on the night shift on the UK. Yeah. Oh, let me squeeze that down there. That looks a little better. I had my chart squished. There, you can see it better now. See? Double bottom, see? Did it come down perfectly to here? No, and it never does. As long as you can see a double bottom, it's a double bottom. And whether it's perfect or not. And then once you see the 5 cross up and the price to go up, then you look to get in and up it goes. I never did anything with this trade over here. I did a trade before that, didn't I? I don't remember. No, I didn't do a trade. Maybe I did. I don't remember where it was. But I know I did this one right here. For sure. This was in the UK session. Okay. Divergence is divergence. And it went up. And then another one right here. And it went up. And then I never did any of these trades. But there's a double bottom here. And up it went. I put these lines on here after it went fucking sideways. Okay? And there's a higher highs up here. Here, I can mark it for you. Boom. Double bottom. See, look at it hopping up and down. Quit hopping, you little buggers. Chart's hopping up and down. But yeah, there was two divergence setups right here, and right here. There was nice setups and nice movement in the UK session last night. Better than today. Today it's just, oh God. But anyway, so those are those setups. And then after that, that's like 5 o'clock in the morning over here, 6 o'clock. I wasn't trading this. No. So anyway, we just come back over here. We go right back to now. See? See? Look at this. Look at this movement, ladies and gentlemen. In the last... See that? It's like 80 ticks. 80 ticks movement in all this time here. Can you see how it's moving slowly? Like, just right now, just stare right at the moving price right here. You see how fucking slow it's going? Little tickies. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. See? It isn't moving like it was moving, you know, before the election for the last, like, month or whatever. Remember, it used to do these big crashes down like 200 points, just like that? Boom! You don't see that right now, do you? No, you don't. You see how long? Look at this. Look how slow it's moving. So slow. If you're a conservative trader and you don't like, you know, movement too much, it's perfect for you. But yeah. It's hardly moving. See? Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Then it moved up to here. Fast movement here for what it is. It's not really all that fast. And then it did some more tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. See? You're still going to get trades today, but the movement of the price is so freaking slow right now. This is why I went to the 1 minute. See over here? Oh, no, don't do that. There, you see over here to the left? We're on the 1 minute time frame. Because it's not moving. It's moving as slow as, I don't know, maple syrup coming out of the fucking tree trunk. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Canada's known for its maple syrup on pancakes. In case you didn't know. Oh, I'm sure you knew. Mainly from Quebec. That's in northern Ontario, where they make lots of maple syrup. Yes. Very sweet. The kids love maple syrup. So anyway, you see it has different movements. Like, I don't think volume's moving this. I think some little guy with a thick mustache is going, ha ha ha, I'm going to get you, ha ha ha. Yeah, I think he's pressing buttons, making it move like this, very slow. And before the election, he was making it move super fast. Like, remember the movement where the price would go zing up like this, and in the same 10 milliseconds, it would zing right back down. Or zing down and zing right back up. It still does that, but not like a few weeks ago. The whole speed of the ticker, of the movement, is very fucking slow right now. They have it turned down to low. That's what I think. Call me whatever it is, but that's what I think. We're on a fucking 1 minute chart here. Okay? Right now we have higher highs. See, there's a lot of traders down in here that bought it up, and in here bought it, and in here bought it, because they're looking up here. They're looking at the 150 level here, and they're looking at the main pivot of the day right here, which we already came up and smashed it. But you see? But they're tricking everybody now. Hold on. Trickery. They're going to trick you. I'm telling you, they're going to trick you. That's what they're fucking doing right now. See how fast they took that down? It's not really fast, but you see how they took it down? Because they know all these people were buying in here and buying in here, and now they're caught with their fucking pants down. That's what they do. In order for whoever runs this game or this show, whoever runs it, they have to trick you into doing the opposite of what they're going to do. That's what they do. And you can see it right here. You can see, like, up here, it looks like it was going to go up here. And look, no, they're going to drag you through the gutter one more time. But we'll see. To me, it looks like this is just, a little drag in the gutter. See? But they're probably going to come back to these targets up here and hit them. Unless they take it back down, all the way back down here again. So nobody knows, right? I'm just throwing, apples and oranges at you. I don't fucking know for sure. But I'm telling you, these levels that I have on my chart, the main pivot, I told you what they were called yesterday, Fibonacci pivots. I'm sure if you go searching for them, you could probably find them for MetaTrader. But the best ones are for NinjaTrader, right here. Oh, yeah. But anyway, that's what happened. This is what I've noticed yesterday and today. Yeah. La-di-da. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ on the 1 minute time frame. Look at that, they're still dragging people down in the gutter. This is how they get their money. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's scoot over, or should we scoot this over this way? Yeah. Let's go look at MetaTrader now, okay? There. See, we have a hidden divergence trade right here. If we draw it from the base, I like mostly to draw it from the body of the candles. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? And this here down to here. So there's divergence there. This is on MetaTrader 4, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and yes, somewhere in here you would have got short. Like I like to, when it's coming down fast, I like to get in somewhere around the wicks right here. And it would have been a winner, but it would have chopped you up in here for a while. Yeah. Actually, there's another one right now. It's happening right now. Right now, ladies and gentlemen. See it? So you would have got, there's the signal right there, right now, to sell it. We'll see after if it goes down. By the time you watch this video, we'll see if this price comes down here. Okay? Like I said, they made it look like, they're going to go up to the target of the pivot. And yeah, or higher, back up to the 21,100 level up here. But don't pay attention to what I'm saying about the price here. It's off by 150 or 60 points. Because this is on a fucking Forex broker. So don't pay attention to that. Only what NinjaTrader tells you. But anyway, there it is, the 5 minute. Let's now look at the S&P. Looks like the same kind of shit, but no. No, there's no hidden divergence on this one. Sorry. I had to hack up some hack. I had to hack up some hack. Okay. I don't see no fucking trade on here on the 5 minute. This is the S&P. What about the Dow? Fuck, everything's just ugly. We have higher highs here. There's divergence right there. Yeah, it did pretty good. Stop would have been right up here, 50 pips or points or whatever, or ticks. and it would have went down 160. Actually, to the bottom, it went down 200 points. Yeah, it was good on the Dow today. And the pound dollar, this is the 15-minute. Oh, look at this. Look at this big one, eh? That's beautiful. Oh, first we got to do some other stuff right here. Double top. Yes, like this. Then we grab a down arrow. Sell, and look at that, down it goes. And along the way, what did we have? We had a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Okay, that's on the 15-minute. Let's go to the, oh no, hold on. One more thing to show ya. This is a sell fake. See, close below the 2 moving averages. And then it came back up. You would have got long in here, and up it went. It was a big hookup. A big hookup, baby, right here. Excuse me. Some more hack. Some more fucking hack. Okay. And also up here, I wouldn't. I'd only try to do something down here. You know what I mean? I wouldn't buy up here, but there is. I just want to show you. There is a lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. And here's another one right beside it. If you're willing to buy up there, I wouldn't be, to be on the safe side. But it's another lower close. Buy it, and up it goes. Okay? Okay, let's look at the euro now. That was the pound dollar 15-minute. Oh, and here's the euro. Yeah, we had some of this. Some hidden divergence right there. And the entry would have been right there. And that's, oh, it's 38 pips on the euro USD. Well, that's all right. And what about the pound yen? Oh, 15-minute. See, there's no divergence here, low and lower low, because the right side is deeper than the left side. And we need it to be the opposite of that. However, we did have one trade way up here, higher highs, and this coming down like this. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Would have got short right in there. If you were trading the 15-minute, I don't know. All I know is the 1, the 5, and the 15, or the 10-minute, they all got good divergence setups to trade with. All of them. There's a whole bunch of these, eh? Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Oh, and here's a hookup. Right there. Boom. Comes back down. First it was the buy fake, then they smack it back down. Then on the opening of this candle right here I'm pointing at, that's where you'd sell it, and all the way down it goes. You see how beautiful that is? And over here, see, we know because the 5 is below the 7, we know the only thing we can do is sell. Do sell trades. So you got to look for little rallies up and sell it at a better price. Rally up, sell, sell it, and down it goes. Okay? And we have a couple of these over here. So we have one here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes a little bit. We have one more right here before it goes to the moon. Right here. Okay, lower close, buy it, up it goes. See, and over here, we know that we can only buy because the 5 is above the 7. Over here, we know that we can only sell because the 5 is below the 7. You see how simple that is, ladies and gentlemen? Oh my God, it's so good. It's like, I don't know, Coke. It's like a piece of coconut cream pie. I don't know, man. Every day it keeps, you just look at it and you go, oh, the 5's below. It's trickling down below. I can only look for a sell trade. That removes 50% of your guessing where the fuck it's going to go, up or down. Do you see what I mean? You got to trust these two moving averages, and they're always close to the price, price. They're not way the fuck up here, the 200, or way the fuck down here, the 50. No, those moving averages are too far out. That's why they won't really help you. You need moving averages that move right with the price. It's hugging the price all the way up. See? It's hugging the price all the way down. See how fucking good that is? Sorry, I have to swear. Because I've been trading, you guys know how long, over fucking 2 decades. And I couldn't figure out at times when I first come to the chart, well, what do I do? Do I buy? Do I sell? Do I pick my nose? What the fuck do I do? This removes 50% of your probability. It removes 50% of your risk, because if you have faith and belief in these moving averages, you know that you can only sell here or you can only buy over here. You know that because of the moving averages. They're so fucking good. I can't believe it, I think I've told you before, when I started trading Forex in 2005, I bought this trading system from these people, and it was the 10, the 20, no, hold on. No, it was the 10, the 21, and the 50. And you had to wait for all 3 of them to cross over, and oh my God. They were so out in outer space. Like, they didn't work for me because they were too far away. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. You can put them on your chart if you want. I used to use the 21 for the longest time. Please excuse me. A lot of hack today. I'm glad it's coming out. It's because I'm talking so much. I'm yelling out here like I'm all excited and shit, But I am. Because even if you don't like the OSMA, so what? And even if you don't want to, trade divergence, put these 2 moving averages on your chart. Okay? This is the 5, 0 shift, or displacement 0, exponential on the close. That's all you need, okay, for the 5. And right here is the 7 exponential, but this one has a shift of 1. On the close, exponential. That's it. That takes away 50% of your guessing, ladies and gentlemen. 50%. Do you know how... Do you have any idea how, critical that is to try and be on the right side of the trade? It's critical. And you can see every day you guys come here, you can see I point this out to you, how fucking good it is. It's up to you whether you want to have faith and belief in it. I don't know. But you see, before I go, okay, before I look to enter a trade, I'm always looking, do I buy or do I sell? Well, if the 5's below the 7, I look for a sell. If the 5 is above the 7, I look for a buy. That's it. And then once I see the setup, boom, I get in, and there's a higher probability my trades are going to be winners because I'm following those simple steps. Come to the chart. Where's the 5? Is it below or above the 7? And trade accordingly. Look for a pullback trade, a higher close trade, a divergence trade, You know, with a divergence setup fresh out of the hop, you're always going to get the 5. If you're looking to sell, you're always going to get just recently the 5 crossing down below the 7. See right here? See how I got in short from way the hell up here and all the way down it went. Or if you come to the chart and it's over here, you're saying, okay, there was no divergence here, but it's telling you, look, the 5 is on top of the 7. You can only look for a buy trade. That's it. Okay. Shut up, Jason. Move on. Okay, Euro Yen. What do we got with the Euro Yen? We got, is this the 5? Yeah, it's the 5. Johnny 5, come alive. More divergence, successful divergence, again and again and again. Yes, indeed. Okay, somewhere in here. You would have bought it and it went way the fuck up there. You would have made money. Which one is this? Euro Yen. All right, went up 70 pips on the Euro Yen. And what about oil? Oh, there's a double top on the oil. Let's see. This is the 5-minute, ladies and gentlemen. I have the chart squished so I can see farther out. Would have got you long in the UK session, and this trade was good for 57 points up to 69 bucks a barrel. And did we have another trade? Oh yeah, right here. Just like that. And from this here to right in there. And you would have got long in there. So you had a buy here, it was successful, and you had another buy here from hidden divergence. Yeah, I have that in the wrong place. Needs to go there. There it is. Yeah, and in here, it went up a total of another 50, 60 ticks on oil. On oil, there it is. Okay, great. Let's move on now to gold. Oh, gold was just in a trend here, eh? See, there's no divergence to buy it here because the right side needs to be less than the left side in order for it to be divergent. So it's not divergent, but we'll go looking on the 5-minute. And yeah, we have one trade entry right here. There she be. Aha, so 60. How much to here? 120. And look, we have another one of those right here. It's hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Okay. We need the arrow. Right there. Boom! Well, it went up 100. That's gold. How much did this one go up? Oh, 115. There's the 2 trades on gold. Don't they look beautiful? I think they do. I do. So that's it for the fast markets that most people trade. And now we're going to go into the Bitcoin crypto area. I'm wondering if it's been big pullbacks today. That's what I'm thinking. Let's look at Bitcoin. Oh, where did it go? No, that's the high from yesterday, isn't it? Yeah. Didn't go higher. Didn't go higher yet. But there's the pullback. They're taking profits. Yeah, it went up to a high of 93,000. Oh yeah, by the way, yesterday I said $93 or some stupid shit. I was a little mixed up. Please excuse me. It's not $93. It's $93,000 it went to a high of. Yeah, it fucking rallied up. And I bet you XRP sold right back down again. I'd never looked at this chart until right now. I could place a bet on it, and I think I would win the bet. Oh, didn't pull back as much as I thought. Let's see here, 4 hour. Oh, it actually went to new highs today and then pulled back. Well, that's a good sign. Look, see? Buy the dip, boom, back up. Buy the dip, boom, back up. That's looking pretty bullish. I hope it continues. Okay. So that's it for XRP. And what about silver? Oh, yeah, she's still doing a little bit of a correction. After that long move up for years. For years, man. This is the monthly we're looking at. Yeah, for years. Like this is last year. And Ethereum? Oh yeah, it pulled back too. And the yen? Oh, yen's looking very strong. See, they're pushing it slowly but surely. Right back up to here. Okay, so that's it for the setups for today. I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening, and hopefully you learned some good stuff, especially about those moving averages. Like, without them, I could not trade. I wouldn't know what to do, like to buy or to sell. I wouldn't know. Well, I would kind of know, but I would be guessing. But with the moving averages, I'm not guessing. I already know I've got a 50% chance of winning in the trade because I'm trading long with the 5 above the 7, or I'm trading short with the 5 below the 7. Okay? Okay, cool. And anyway, I want to thank you for watching and la-di-da and whatever. And if you like what you see, please hit the like button. I would appreciate it. And if you really like what you saw today, just come on, subscribe and come back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. Okay? All right. Good luck and good trading.